Start in the name of Allah Almighty. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saher Gill. I'm your class teacher. I hope you are fine with the grace of Allah. Now it's time to start a new work. And before we're going to start a new work, first of all, we have to revise our previous lectures. Are you ready? That's great. What was our first lecture? Was counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And this is activity. Circle the 2 and 5 number with a red color. I know you've done it very neatly. Very good. The next activity was count and write. 1, 2, 2 stars. 1, 1 leaf. 1, 2, 3, 3 apples. Okay. The next week work is topic again counting. Very good. And what is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is number 2. Is this 2? Very good. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And what is this? Number, yes, very good. Number 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your page. 9 and 10. Very good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Wait. Anybody knows about the date and the day? Can you tell me what was the day? Yes, 19 April 2021. And the day was Monday. How many days are in a week? Yes, maybe it's 2. Is it right? Yes, this is wrong. There are how many? Yes, hurry up, answer me, hurry up. 7 days. Very good. And what is the day? Monday. M-O-N, Mon, D-E-Y-D, Monday. Very good. Turn your page. Look at here. Activity. Count the 7 carrots and color. How many carrots? 8? 7. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I know that you have to turn very neatly work. What is this third week work? And our work was, you have to write counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the day was Thursday. Very good. Now it's time to start our 4th week work. Are you ready? Wow, very excited. Very good. What is the date today? What is the date? 2. Yes, this is 2. And this is 6. 26th month April, and the year is 2021. And what is the day? Monday. Very good. What is the day? Monday. Again, Monday. Topic, write counting from 1 to 10. You have to write here counting from 1 to 10 like this. Hold your pencil. Start from here. 1. Leave 2 blocks, 1 and 2. Write here number 2. 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3. 1, 2, and write your number 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? Number 4. And what comes after number 4? Number 5. Very good. After number 5, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to do all work with the help of your parents neatly. Okay, what is this? Activity. Write missing numbers. You have to write here missing number. What is this? 1. Again 1. Again 1. And which number is missing here? What comes after number 1? 2. Very good. 3. Then write here 4, 5. Which number is missing here? 6, 7, and number 8 is missing here. 9 and 10. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is your work. You have to do with the help of your parents neatly and cleanly. And I will give you stars and smiling face. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.